Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
You too busy trying to find that blue I saw. I let my black hair grow and my weed smoke. And I swear.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mari here, back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, I am going to giving y'all some freshman advice for all my freshies, my freshmen. Now I'm a sophomore, no longer a freshman. There's stuff that I'm gonna tell y'all that y'all need to know before y'all go to high school, because high school is not like a middle school or elementary. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to be part of the gang. I don't know how I'm gonna start this, but we will see. So basically, I'm gonna go out in a little bit, so I decided to do this video real quick. I look funny in these, like they're too big for my face. So I'm gonna just put them right on my head. Pay attention to me and keep your ears open. I'm gonna start the first day. Okay. As you guys know, first day, every day, the first day of school is kind of complicated. It's confusing. You get lost a lot. So with first day of school, you're wearing drip. Don't look dumb. Like, look cute as you can. Step down everybody. But anyways, first day of school. Okay, I'm gonna start off first day of school as for me. Like for the first day of school for me, I put it on a kind of hard, simple outfit. And I got out of school seeing everybody's outfit. Like first day of school is a day to show off your outfit, and mostly everybody, every time you get out of school, you don't need no backpacks the first day of school. You don't need no books, no pencil. You don't need nothing. You just need a Chromebook, because now we use technology. So like, you need a Chromebook. Get your schedule and keep going. Like, you can wait for some friends, but the other thing I'm gonna also say is that don't wander around too much. I mean, you can wander around too much unless if you know some people. And always first find out your classes, your first period class, so like when you know where you're going, you won't get lost. And you go to class, you take a little tour if you want, but still they be still giving out tours at the first day of school. Like, they be showing everybody around where to go. So like, friends and relationships in high school, baby girl, baby boy, in high school there's no like relationship y'all be doing in middle school. Like you make sure you know the person very well before dating them, because in a high school they be hello players. In high school, niggas can play you just as a joke. You will see them messing around with hello, and I have seen that a lot. My freshman year, I have seen that a lot. Like, so many people break up. It's like a lot of dramas, like in high school, like that's where your only life starts from. It's high school. Like, that's when your life just begins. Like, you're now grown. Like, you're now gonna go in real steps of the real life, how life works. Relationship is, make sure you date a guy that's not mature, the one that acts grown, and make sure he got money and he can dress, baby. Like, make sure he's a very person where he can ignore other girls for you. Like, for you. You feel me? The other thing is friendship. Like, friendship in high school, there's so many fake people. Like, you gotta know who you make friends. Like, know that person before making that person your friend. Because in high school, I'm gonna tell you, there's hello fake people, and make sure you don't talk shit about the person. Like, let's say there's three. Like, you're new, you meet two people, like they have been friends before you. Like, don't talk about one of them behind their back, because that person's really gonna switch on you really bad. Like, really bad. Like, so bad. And the other thing I'm gonna tell you is pick wisely. Pick wisely. Like, pick friends wisely, because some of them are drama queens. Like, drama queens that like problems with people, like, you know. So the other thing I'm gonna tell y'all is make sure you make friends in class. Don't be so lonely, like, cause you know damn well you're not gonna end up with your friends in all your classes. So like, you have to make friends in your class. Like, you know, you don't have to make them like your best friends, whatever. Just for class, and after class you can act like you don't know them, because that's how life works in high school. Like, that's how a lot of things is. Like, people will see you and pass you like they don't know you, like they don't know you, and you're gonna be really shocked. No, like, you, like, it's literally y'all talking today, the next day at school y'all pass each other like strangers. That's how high school works nowadays. Like, people are very mature. Like, let's be for real. And the other thing I'm gonna tell y'all is fights. Fights and drama. Okay, what I'm gonna say about fights and drama is, like I told y'all, pick people wisely. And about fights and drama, make sure you don't jump in a conversation that doesn't concern you. Doesn't concern you, stay away. Even though you know half of it, you can just listen. If that person's telling you about whatever she heard, the drama you already have known, don't add anything on top. Like, don't say shit if you don't know that person for years. If you met her the same school year, don't tell her no. Don't tell nobody your secrets in high school also. Like, don't tell them no secrets, no type of stuff like that. Your personal problems, unless you have known that person for years, and you can count that person as your best friend that you see out of school and inside school. You know, y'all hang out of school and inside school. Like, that's the person to claim your friend. Like, to be serious. And about fight, don't ever jump into a fight. Like, never. And make sure that you got a friend that got your back. Like, you know, the one, if you get into a fight, she's gonna jump in too. Because some of bitches be fake. Like, they don't like getting suspended. Like, they don't. Like, really, they don't. School drama. Like, be careful who you choose as your friend. Other thing is about grades and attendance. Okay, what I'm gonna say about grades and attendance is be careful. Like, be careful how sneaky you get. Like, be careful on being sneaky, because you know, in high school you can skip classes, but never always skip classes. If you get caught, you get suspended. Y'all know in high school every day they always suspend you. They always suspend you for a week, which is 10 days. Y'all know that. So like, in high school you gotta be careful. Like, you gotta be sneaky about skipping classes. And the other thing I'm gonna say about grades is always focus in class. Like, keep your grades higher than a 70. Like, don't take it lower than 72 or lower, because to bring your grades back, you're gonna have trouble. And that's what I'm saying, because in high school y'all don't step back. Like, as soon if you miss a day, they're not, baby girl, they're not gonna go back and start teaching the same stuff that you missed yesterday. So you basically gotta make sure you take notes in class very well, that you really understand. Focus in class. Like, stay focused, because if you don't, you will get lost easy. And always pay attention when the teacher's talking, because you know get confused on what they're saying. Like, you know, y'all understand what I'm saying. Like, it can get so confusing because some teacher be really talking so this and they don't like repeating themselves. That's the other thing. Like, they don't back and repeat. Like, and the other thing is always make up for your work, how much work you have. Make sure you do your work before the end of the quarters. So, because after the end of almost the end of the quarter, you're going to have trouble bringing that grade up. Because in high school, it's not like middle school or elementary. Because, you know, in high school, if you don't make up for those grades, you might just well repeat. You're going to feel really bad. Like, no jokes. Like, you're going to feel so bad. So, like, that's the thing I'm going to tell y'all. Like, that's the thing I'm going to tell y'all. The other thing I'm going to say is attendance. Never, don't get suspended more than 10 days. Don't get into fight. Don't get suspended. Like, you can probably get suspended for 2 days. You're good. Just a little few tips on, I'm just putting this on top because I gotta go. So like, I have to make this quick. For books and stuff, like I already told y'all, take note in class. You know, if you don't have a notebook, you can use your phone. You got your Chromebook, go to the document, take as many notes as you can. You know, girly part, I'm gonna tell y'all what to have in your bag. For some of y'all that don't know, make sure you always walk with at least a purse. That way you have your pads and very important stuff, like where you can have your lipstick, lip gloss, mascara, like pencils and stuff. Like, you have to have emergency bag also for your period. You know, just even though you're not on your period, but just in case, carry extra pads for other people, because a lot of people don't like using nurses pads, like school's pads. Like, the nurses pads are very weird. They're so uncomfortable. Like, they're yuck. Like, high school pads, they're yuck. They're too thick. They're not thin. They're too thick. Like, they don't feel right. They don't feel right to me. Like, I don't like them. That's why you always have to carry something just in case, because y'all never know. Your period just comes, boom, out of nowhere. Like, be careful. Always carry lip gloss or lips. Lip gloss, you gotta carry that everywhere. Like, you have to, because if your lips get ashy, man, you're gonna get bullied a lot. You're gonna have to be licking them like a dog. I tell y'all is height and switching classes. Well, be careful on how you walking, because in high school, it's not like middle school. Y'all don't get crowded in the hallway. In high school, y'all really get crowded in the goddamn hallway. You'll see huge people that are 10 times taller than you, and you just literally a little kid too. You will get bullied a lot on how tall you is. Yeah, like, most guys gonna make fun of you, like you're so short, like you look a kid. Like some guys are very mature. Like, y'all know some guys are very mature. I guess that's all. But like I said, be careful on the guys y'all guys trying to get to. Like, for some guys, they're really gonna have a girlfriend on the side. Like, they're really gonna have a girlfriend, a whole, but they're gonna act single. So, like, be careful. And never make action when you hear. Like, if somebody comes up, oh, your boyfriend was doing da 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 da. Wait until you hear the other story of him before making action. Because some people, they be jealous. They like people breaking up. And so many people do this with their mouth in high school. Like, they don't give a fuck who you are. They still gonna do this. So, like, you gotta be careful. Always have a notebook, like, and a pen or a pencil, whatever. Like, I'm just waiting for whenever school's gonna start in August, like, this whole thing can come back again. But you guys, that's all for today's video. So yeah, so this video basically I'm gonna post it in July something. I'm not planning on posting it now. I don't know. I want to post it now, but also I don't want to post it now because I'm waiting till next month or something, like July something or April 20 something. I mean, I said April. No, even in April. Y'all forgive me. Okay. So, anyways, bye, you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'ma see ya in my next video.
Recommend play my song on the radio. You too busy trying to find that blue I saw.